Yo, what's up guys? Crenshaw the Barber here with another video. I apologize, I have not been as frequent with posting, but we're here. We're going to try to get back on track. So if you're new to the channel, here we like to talk about different things in the industry, tools of course, and actually today we're going to be talking about, we're going to be talking about something that's in this box right here. So if you're new to the channel, like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button up there so you can be in the loop about what we're going to do. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. Shout out to FW Barber Supply for hooking me up over here with let's go ahead and get into it. Yo, so I've been waiting forever for these clippers right here, and I finally got my hands on some. Thank you, FW Barber Supply. I'll put a link in the description so you can go check them guys out. But yeah, man, here we go. Tearing up the box completely. Here we go. So, of course, we have the manual. Charging, some guards. I probably won't use these because I have my own. Boom. Got the charging base. That's what I'm talking about right there. Last but not least, we have the clipper itself. I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty dope concept right here. I'm about to go to the shop right now, so I'll show you guys my station, but I want to go with the black and silver because all of my other clippers are either black or silver. I just want to keep that thing going. But yeah, these feel pretty good. Lever feels pretty smooth. Yeah, I'm excited to see how these perform in the shop. So I am rushing to make this video because I wanted it to be fresh and I want to drop Monday, so hopefully we make that happen. But yeah, on my way to the shop, I'm going to do some cut with these, and we'll come back here and I'll share how I feel about it. All right. Boom, right there. Let's see, can you see that? Ooh, just got these boys in. FastFeeds, man. I'm telling you, I've been waiting for these clippers for the longest. Ever since the Masters came out. When the Masters came out and they were cordless, I copped a pair, of course. Got them right here, right? But long awaited for some FastFeeds, and we finally got some in. I've been cutting with them for about 2 to 3 days now, and I really enjoy them. You know, I've been busy, man. I've been doing all kind of things. Doing like photo shoots, video shoots, the whole nine. So I'm just dropping in to cover these FastFeed clippers. I like them. I like how they fit in the hand. They're a lot longer than the cordless or the corded FastFeeds. Real smooth blend, as you can see here. Put some footage up there for you guys. I did put the ceramic blade on them, but I took them off because the ceramic blade is a lot longer than the default blade that they put on there. So I didn't like that. It kept bumping the bottom of the guards. So I really don't have much to talk about today other than getting those clippers in. I want to drop in. I know I haven't been posting the past 2 weeks, so I want to make sure I get back on track with this Monday. Dropping this video. So if you're new to the channel, man, please consider subscribing, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see in these videos. If you guys are watching these, I definitely need some feedback so I can give you guys what you need, give you guys what you want. See you guys in the next one. Crenshaw the Barber, I'm out.